Welcome to Using Inspiration as a Unit Planning Tool, production of the Learning Technology Unit of the Horizon School Division. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use Inspiration to create a detailed unit plan. To begin with, click on Create a Diagram. This will launch Inspiration's main diagram view. Our main idea is in the center. That will be the title of our unit plan. Today, as an example, I'll be using a sending and receiving unit in middle years phys ed. Once I have the title entered, I'm going to click on Rapid Fire to create subtopics for my unit plan. I have 3. Introduction, Sending, and Receiving. My introduction only has 1 lesson in it, and so I only need to create 1 bubble out from it. My first lesson is determining students' generic level of skill proficiency. My sending section has 3 lessons in it. So I'm going to use Rapid Fire to create them. They are throwing, kicking, and punting, and sending with an implement. Receiving as well has 3 lessons. Catching, receiving with the feet, and receiving with an implement. Our map very quickly becomes confusing, so let's arrange it by using the Arrange button in a downwards tree. Each of my lessons have several common features. So using my first lesson, determining students' generic level of skill proficiency, I'm going to create those subtopics using Rapid Fire. Again, my map is very disarranged, so I'm going to arrange it in a downwards tree again. Using the zoom tools on the bottom left corner, I'm going to zoom out to 50%. Now, since each of these parts of the lesson are common to each of my lessons, I'm going to highlight all of them, go to Edit, Copy, click in the empty white space below my diagram, and go Edit, Paste, which, as you will see, has created identical icons. From here, I'm going to click on a lesson activity that does not have the parts attached to it yet, click the Link button on my toolbar, and click on one of the first parts. Then I need to go back to my lesson plan again, click on the second part, and continue in this way until I have all of the parts linked up. At this point, it would be a good idea to save your file so that you don't lose the work you've already created. After some experimentation, I've discovered that the best map arrangement for my concept map is going to be a tree right hand with the lowest symbol level arrangement being downward. When we zoom in, we notice that the lesson parts are not necessarily in the correct order. We can change that by highlighting a row of them and carefully dragging that row sideways all the way across to where we want to place it. You can then rearrange the rest of them to be in the correct order. Once you have them in the right order, even if they're not lined up and spaced out correctly, we can go to Arrange as a right-hand tree with the lowest level symbol arrangement being down. Even though our map is created in a flowchart that's easy to follow, distinctions between levels would stand out better with different symbol colors or symbol shapes. So let's start by clicking on our main idea symbol, and on our symbols palette, let's use this one here. Then we can highlight our first 3 levels and turn them into rectangles. We can take each of our lessons, turn them into rectangles with rounded corners. From here, we can take each of our lesson parts, highlight them, and change the color of them. That would be the fill color would be the center icon down here on the bottom. And you can create them in any set of colors that you like. Once you have all of the colors created, it makes a much easier to read document.